B-WET creates the conditions for students to be able to learn about their local environment, and ultimately we're looking to create informed decision makers.
In the beginning, I didn't really think ecology was personally that important, but now that I'm in this class and I'm learning more, I think I'm seeing the value of why people want to save the planet.
The B-WET grant helps teachers in the district think about a more holistic approach to environmental learning, how our students and people in Arlington are impacting our watersheds.
Arlington Public Schools is part of our B-WET community. They had a grant with us for 3 years and developed and implemented a MWEE into their curriculum. And it's about 5 years later. Not only has APS embedded the MWEE into the curriculum, but they've also developed an environmental literacy plan. It ensures that these experiences are built on each other, that it's comprehensive, and that it's funded and resourced through the schools and their partners.
Our environmental literacy plan is a living document as we include more programs, support pieces, staff, stakeholders that ensures that all of our students have a MWEE experience from kindergarten through high school.
We've really focused on systemic learning, which means that every single student in a grade band has that experience. That creates an equitable opportunity for all students, and that's something that's really important to the B-WET program.
Our sustainability liaisons serve as an inspiration for all of our teachers and staff. They coordinate programs, and then they also share the many different activities at each school.
That is a really good way to do this sort of vertical and horizontal alignment where elementary schools have their program and the middle schools have their program, so the kids are seeing it over and over and over. And it's that repetition where it's not just like a novel thing that today's Sustainability Day. They see that this is just part of our culture. The more people understand that if we talk about environment and don't remove ourselves from it, the more that they can make these global connections and be an active member of their community.
So yes, the circumference you had to divide by pi to get the diameter, so it's that one. Okay.
The work I've seen here at APS is nothing like I've seen before. I mean, we have 2 net zero energy schools. We have 9 schools with solar arrays on them. We have all these stormwater features around all our sites, which is beautiful. The building automation system to reduce use is incredible. I've been in schools where students make signs above trash cans and say, hey, this should be recycled, this can't be recycled. Arlington Public Schools is way ahead of anything I've seen before.
MWEEs provide that opportunity for our students to identify issues or problems that are in their schoolyards or community, and also, more importantly, help them identify some solutions and try those solutions out so that they can help make a difference in terms of how we can support our local watershed, and that they could also see how our local watersheds make an impact in the greater Chesapeake.
Working in your own ecosystem will definitely change your perspective, and it definitely gives us kids a better perspective of what's going on here in our environment.
We are really building the capacity of school districts rather than working directly with one school or a group of teachers. So we're really trying to affect things on this systemic level.
Arlington Public Schools is a prime example that you don't have to be a rural school division where there's a lot of green space to focus on sustainability. An urban school community can focus on environmental literacy, environmental education, and sustainability.
B-WET hopes to be a catalyst to support systemic environmental literacy, and we can see here at Arlington Public Schools it's built into the curriculum, and that makes it sustainable.
I think it opens a lot of conversations surrounding different ways for us as human beings to think about the future.